That. Pag-usapan naman natin yung product bundling. So kaya ako inuna yung kay bro yung new monetary kasi kasama siya rito. Ito naman, nabanggit na rin ni Karen that we should be selling multiple policies. Sometimes we forget na yung needs ni client, hindi lang isa. Ganon. And then we stop in selling one. Alright? We have to learn how to see what products are best for a specific need. Tapos iba-bundle din natin siya. So ginawa ko natin yung study dito in terms of kung ano yung parang category ni client or life goal niya, di ba? Ano yung product yung pwede sa kanya. So first and foremost, again, life insurance selling is simply matching your products to the needs of your customer. Alright? So kailangan mo malaman yung nga saan siya may butas, tulad binabanggit ni Karen, and then you complete me. Dapat ganun. Diba? So, hanapin mo kung ano yung missing piece of the puzzle. Ganun dapat eh. Should not be product pushing ka. Right? Although yes, like si Karen, she does suggest 2 or 3 products na pwede. Pero inalam niya muna. Alam niyo muna kung ano yung need niya. Laging ganun. Pag nakita mo kasi kung ano yung need niya, naiintindihan mo, you'll be more confident to recommend. Hindi yung dapat napupush ka lang ng product kasi feel mo lang ito yung bagong product. Alright? So, ganun na. So, just to cap it up first, dapat pag-aralan mo rin yung powerful questions to ask. Now, you can throw around different questions, be interested, and then when you ask leading questions, you can paraphrase depende sa feel mo, Taglish kung ano yung feel mo. Pero these are some of the questions that you can ask. So actually, pumili lang ako ng top 2 questions that you would ask per need. So alam naman natin, may 4 major financial needs. Meron pang higher level dyan that like long-term savings, estate planning. But mainly, ito yung 4 products that we have. So, magkakwentuhan kayo. In fact, yung nasa taas, ito naman yung sinasabi ni Karen kanina na foundation or necessities, life insurance and health insurance. Tapos yung susunod doon, accumulation, which is education fund or retirement. Kinategorize lang natin na ganyan para mas madali rin ma-appreciate ng client natin kung para saan siya. Alright? Pag life insurance, tatanungin mo lang, gaano katagal mo gusto mong mag-provide kami para sa family mo? 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years. Usually when I ask this question, either they would say minimum 10 years or people would say, kung pwede yung forever. So doon ko na-establish yung need ng insurance na 10 times your annual expenses. Alright? So pag meron ka na, para ma-prove ko na kulang pa yung meron ka, like 99% of clients would have a deficit in terms of their need, tatanungin ko talaga itong question. In case something happens to you, in case of untimely death or disability, how many years do you want us, AIA, to provide for your family? Para kami bahala sa kanya. 10, 15, 20 years. So yun yung powerful question for life insurance. For health insurance, go. Ang sagot nila either 15 years, 20, they choose. Strategy ko rin.
Or
forever.
Ano ba ang maganda?
Yeah.
Kasi ikaw ang consultant.
Tama.
Normally, wala din sila alam. Ano ba talaga ang more kaibigan?
Yeah.
Yun ang tanong sa'yo. Yun talaga.
Yun ang nagiging sagot kung wala kang range. That's why I put a range. Na-realize ko na yun. Again, we improve your power of questioning. Na-realize ko they have a blank stare when I ask. Tama, napansin ko yun. So now, this is a closing technique. Alternate choice close, as always, one of my favorite closing techniques. Bigyan mo na lang ng choices. Multiple choice. A, B, or C. Parang gano'n. So ang sagot talaga nila, narito, Richard, usually, okay na ako sa 10 years, or sige, 20 years, or kung pwede nga forever. So alam mo na naiintindihan niya ngayon, important merong insurance. Yun lang kailangan ko ma-establish. Alright? Next, health insurance. When unexpected health problems arise, kunyari example, meron magkasakit sa family, kahit hindi siya, saan mo kukunin yung funds to cover for medical expense? Yun lang laging tanong. Kailangan mapag-usapan yun. Bakit important yung health insurance? Kunyari lang binabanggit mo, bakit important merong medical insurance or health insurance? Just give us a scenario. Let's say meron magkasakit sa family, saan mo kukunin yung funds? Pag sinabi niya, meron akong savings, that's good, meron akong savings. Katulad ng sinabi ni Karen, always make them feel good. So acknowledge the good things that they're doing. However, gusto mo ba na maubos yung savings mo, iba ka pang travel mo yan? May ibang purpose yan, tama ba? Right? So ganun ka-powerful na meron tayong health fund, separate from whatever savings you have. Or kung nakapagpundar ka ng business, ng education fund for your kids, ng properties, kotse, ayaw nating maibenta yon. Tama ba? So just confirm yung sinasabi mo na nag-agree siya. Tapos again, na-realize ko, dapat bigyan ko ng range. Between 1 million to 5 million, how much health fund do you have or do you want to have? Ganun muna. Magkano gusto mong coverage between 1 million to 5 million? Bigyan ko lagi ng range para pipili na lang siya. It makes the conversation easier. Tapos tanongin ko kung bakit gano'n, etc. Tapos tanongin ko, sige, magkano na simulan? Magkano na yung health fund? Alright? So those are my KYC questions. Kasi it helps me get to understand ano na meron kay client. Ganon. It gives me confidence na pag binentahan ko, need niya talaga, hindi ako nagbebenta lang. Alright? Next, education. Ito naman, conversation na saan mo gustong ipadala yung ipa-school yung kids. Saan mo gusto ipadala yung kids mo for school. Alright? So whatever the answer is, kahit saan yan, meron niyang meron niyang cost. Alright? Kahit pa UP ang sagot niya or PUP, baka naman scholar yung anak ko. Sige, that's good. Pero di ba meron din tayong other expenses, which is pagdodorm, pamasahe, baon, etc. So that's something that's why we need an education fund, not just for the tuition. No? So compute mo na how much it will cost each kid. And I even have a study na 1 to 3 million per child. Alright? Pwede mo na rin banggitin yun. Mag-drop ka na rin ng number. Alam niya, based po sa study namin na nag-aaral kami sa mga training namin, between 1 million to 3 million per child. Would you agree? So, yun ang kakailanganin natin. So, at least may 1 million down fund na natin. For retirement, ganun din. Nabuo din tong question na to dahil nung tinanong ko lang anong age mo gusto mag-retire, yung mga bata katulad ni Denise would say 30. Tama? Di ba? Kaya, syempre okay naman yun. Ako rin gusto kong mag-retire ng age 30. Ganun yung sagot ko before. So para hindi na ako ma-caught off guard, I will give you a number. Between age 55 to 65, at what age mo gusto mag-retire? Mabox na kita. Alright? Para lang, kasi alam ko naman my product is 10 years and above. Ganon. So, kung A+ signature yan, 20 years to pay yan. So, di ba? Or 10 years to pay. Ganon. So, magbibigay ako ng number. Kung ano ako.
Minsan, nag-halos na yung mga kausap. Gusto is 40 retired na.
Kaya nga, oo. Diba? Hindi, ganun talaga yung nangyayari. And again, ako bro.
Pero ang sa akin yan, walang problema. Ang tanong ko na lang dito, anong quality ng retirement? Pero usapan natin ito. Kasi may numbers tayo pag-usapan dyan. Tama. Kasi decide to retire tomorrow, ang tanong, anong klaseng buhay meron pa dito?
Tama. Kaya nga, this is another powerful question. How many years do you want to enjoy your retirement? Kaya sinagot mo na ako, 55. Okay, when you retire at age 55, how many years mo gusto ma-enjoy your retirement? Sabi niya, 20 years, for example. Siguro naman, 75, okay na ako. Okay, 20 years. Okay, but up to what age mo gusto ma-enjoy your retirement mo? Enjoy, huwag mong tanongin, anong age mo tingin mo mamamatay ka? Alright? So, you reward. You just choice of words lang. Okay, sinabi mo 20 years. Doon ako mag-compute. And I favorite ko magbenta ng retirement. Kasi dito ka talaga makakabenta ng big. Alright, ito talaga yung biggest premium of all. I mean, of course, aside from life insurance talaga na estate planning, kakabenta lang ni Des Gloria ng 1-point-something million max with 7. Ha? 1.7. Oh, 1.7 million max with 10. Di ba? Estate planning. Okay din siya. No? So, pero retirement karamihan, kasi katulad nga sinasabi ni bro, dito, you're painting a dream. Diba, masarap pag-usapan kasi nagko-compute ka ng gagastusin, gano'n. Hindi siya yung mamamatay ka, ganyan. Okay naman yung health insurance and life insurance. Ang problema, minsan ang benta natin dito, malaki na 100,000. Kunyari ACP. Diba? Yun yung challenge eh. So matuto tayo magbenta ng education, retirement, mag-ipon ka, mas malaki yung pwedeng mabenta eh. Ganon. Pag nag-compute ka dyan, Now, let's say, so nare, 20 years sinabi niya, okay, saka ako ngayon iba, papakita yung reality. When you retire today, magkano kailangan mong monthly, for the monthly expenses? Yung simple lang, konting travel, ganyan-ganyan. Probably they will say 50,000 or 100,000. Tama? So, kunyari na lang, 50,000 na lang. 50,000 times 12 is 600,000. Kung 20 years mo mo gustong ma-enjoy na may 600,000 ka, that's 12 million. 600,000 times 12. Sa 12 million pa lang, malaki na pwede mong makita. Alright? Compute ka lang. Compute ka lang. Kaya kailangan, the reason why I ask this, kasi kailangan kong ma-compute. Kailangan kong pakita sa'yo, kay Karen, gusto mo mag-retire ng 55, 20 years mo gusto mag-enjoy, ito yung fund na kailangan natin ipunin. Tutulungan kita, don't worry. Sabihin mo sa kanya gano'n. Yun yung rule ko, tulungan kita ma-reach tong 12 million. Or 24 million kung 100,000. Which is maliit pa rin. Tama?
Kung 20 years sa tutunan, perfect na yung kita.
Oo.
If you have the same money, 12 million, and you can find it, obviously you can find it, a 5% return investment.
Yeah.
Hanggang gusto niya mabuhay, meron siyang 50,000.
Yeah.
You don't have to just leave it for 20 years.
Tama, tama.
Kung pwede kasi sabihin mo, age 55 to 75 kung gusto mong enjoy. That doesn't mean patay na siya.
Tama.
Kung pwede hindi na sila nag-enjoy, naiintindihan ko naman, hindi sila nag-enjoy 75 onwards, mahina na siya.
Yeah.
Pero kailangan may pera pa din.
May perpetual income siya. Tama.
So, paano yung sa health focus natin, di ba?
Tama.
Dapat na doon pa rin. Hindi na kita pinag-enjoy.
Yeah.
Naiintindihan kita doon.
Yeah. Two things yan, two things lang. I wanna piggyback on what Roel is saying. That one, second, ibang usapan na yun actually kasi ibang investment na yun. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa investment. Oo, na kumikita ka ng ganito. Where actually, since galing ako sa property, I can just say property. No? Yung may 12 million mo ng property, kaya magbigay sa'yo ng rent na 50,000 naman. Possibly.
Yes.
Alright? Possibly. So, okay yun. No? So, hindi na 10%, which is about 120,000 like what people like. No? So, okay na lang yun. 50,000 a month. 12 million ka. Alright? So, yung 12 million mo na yun, kailangan natin maipon yung fund na yun para ma-invest mo so that you can get passive income. Diba? Alright. So, pero, two things din. Na-realize ko, karamihan ng kausap, 90%, simple lang mag-isip. So, ang computation pa lang sa kanila, yung 12 million, gagastusin mo yung 600,000 a year, ubus na siya in 20 years. That alone is actually enough. Alright? So, sinasabi ni bro is another step. If magaling yung kausap mo, investor din siya, pwede mo pag-usapan. In fact, yung 12 million, pag in-invest mo yan, pwede yung mag-perpetual yung income. Ito sinasabi niya, invest sa property, etc. Alright, so two things pagdating sa retirement. We can talk about both. Tinuturo ko lang sa inyo, lalo na maraming mga rookies dito, tinuturo ko lang, even the basic, ako ganun ako mag-compute sa clients ko. Times 12 lang, ganun lang. Hindi ko na nga iniinteresan. No? Katulad na tinuturo sa mga financial planning training. Kasi sometimes it's too complicated na napaparalyze ka as an advisor, napaparalyze yung client. So, make it simple, pero dapat alam mo rin, sinasabi ni Bro. Pag nilabas yan ng client ko, may kliyente ako tapos sinasabi ni katulad ni Bro, kaya ko rin sakyan. So, in fact, yes, pwede mong invest ko. Pero, alright? So, yun. Now, let's talk about the products. So, nung minap out ko yung products na meron tayo, most likely ito yung itsura ng products na to meet a certain need. Life insurance, nandiyan yung term insurance natin na Guardian, of course, and then nandiyan yung mga VUL natin like Family Provider and Family Secure. Bakit siya life insurance kahit VUL siya? Kasi malaki yung life insurance, yung multiplier niya. No? So, pag FAMSEC and FAMPRO, for me, more on breadwinner. Pag breadwinner siya, ito yung bibigay ko kahit VUL. Parang gano'n. Now, so, ano natin yung OL natin is all-in-one ACP and Max Protect. No? O ACP, critical illness yan. Yeah, sometimes I offer ACP. Gagawin ko na lang, bonus na lang na may critical illness insurance siya. In case magkaroon ng critical illness, makakukuha mo na yung money upfront. Accelerated siya. Alright? So, ganun. Health insurance, obviously, kaya yan din ang mga benta ng AIA, tsaka kaya medyo mababa benta natin. Karamihan ng products natin, health insurance, mababa premium. Totoo lang. Alright? So, kung gusto nyo tumaas ang ANP nyo, matuto kayo magbenta ng accumulation. Kasi nga, sabi ni bro, pangarap ang binibenta mo rito. But health insurance is good. We have so much products in health insurance. ACP, AJCP. Alright? Yung dalawa kayo, joint life. Health Achieve, nandiyan din. Max Protect, kasi pwede mong kabitan ng critical illness, pwede mong kabitan ng Medassist, no, ng health card. Health Invest Plus, Medassist, which is our health card. Health Cover, which is a critical illness plus health card. And then Family Secure. Alright? So Family Secure, pwede rin yan kasi daming riders. Critical illness rider, accelerated critical illness, or daily hospital income benefit. Meron din. So pwede rin si Family Secure. Pag education, tsaka retirement pareho lang actually. Ang naiba lang, Future Scholar for Education, Future Protect for Retirement. The rest are the same. We talk about monetary, pwede siyang pang education for more than 5 years. Pwede siyang pang retirement. Alright? For more than 5 years. Future Builder, the same. Alright? So kung accumulation, Future Builder siya. Kung pwede. A+ signature, of course, we know. Pwede pang education, pwede pang retirement, pwede pang whatever expense in the future. Kasi si A+ signature, by the way, hindi lang siya gift lang din naman. I also position that as future expense, binibili mo naman. Alright? So parang sinesave mo na yung future expense. Kasi baka in the future, alam mo yun, ka-problema, trabaho and all. So na-save mo siya. Dinagdag ko lang yung family provider. Kasi minsan, may kliyente ka na ang goal is education or retirement, pero mababa pa yung insurance na, wala pa siyang life insurance. Katulad na sinabi ni Karen. No? So, necessities, wala pa siyang insurance, pero gusto niya kumikita o sige, family provider na nga. At the back of my mind, sige, bibigyan kita ng BUL, pero bibigyan kita ng malaki yung coverage, not future builder. My least favorite talaga is future builder, just for me. No? Kasi nga, mababa commission, that's one. Number 2, mababa coverage. Well, kung yun talaga yung gusto, wala namang problema. Alright, pero mababa commission. I cannot understand the 15% commission. Diba? So, ayan. Hihirit ako ng VUL na bago. Sana lang mapakinggan. Alright, so, hihirit tayo yan.
Saka yung prepay, huwag naman lang gagawin 6% ng kita.
1 year yan.
Hindi, alam mo ba, hindi ko ba yung prepay kasi, ganito na lang yan, it's money 3 times 3. 2% times 3, yun lang siya talaga. Alright, so I think yun na yun. Then, guys, ito pa. Magkakaroon ng 2-pay na A+ signature. Hindi ko na po ng product. Endowment.
Hindi, magkano na naman yung 1.5 lang.
Baka 6% lang din siya.
Mag-quote naman sila.
Yeah.
Kung 3 times sa monetary ang pinag-usapan natin, dapat 3 years na kung kumikita, dapat pala dyan.
Kaya natin to 2%. 2% ng monetary. Hindi na lang 2%. Yun na yung 6%. Kaya, yun siya eh. I mean, yun talaga siya eh.
Yung client doon, ang monetary.
Yun lang. Alright, so these are the products. Pag-usapan na natin yung positioning depende sa need. Kung yappies and single professional. No, so, lalo na maraming bago. No? So, ang suggestion ko, tingin ko lang, ito yung mga products na pwede sa kanya. ECP, kasi lahat ng pang-health pwede sa single. Tsaka Medassist, yung AMA. Marami ring single professionals at yappies na for some reason they're attracted with all-in-one. Kunyari si Denise, client ko all-in-one. Diba? So kasi, alam mo yun, parang isa lang yung policy ko pero marami ng coverage. So they like that. Active Health Invest is really good then for a single professional. Kasi nga, nandun na lahat tapos may may investment pa. Alright, so very flexible yung product na yun. In terms of may life ka, may critical illness, may daily hospital income, may accident insurance, may medical reimbursement. Diba? So nandun na lahat, pwede mong ilagay dun sa product na yun. So maganda rin yung health investment yung kakalimutan. Tapos, pwede mong ma-withdraw for emergencies. So just in case, kailangan mo yun. Again, the downside lang, pag withdraw mo yung in full, wala ka na rin coverage. That's why, be careful lang in terms of selling that. Dapat ano. And then of course, future building. Alright? Kasi gusto niya maliit lang ang coverage, malaki yung returns. Kung yan talaga, wala kang choice. Yan na talaga yung i-offer na. Alright? Now, bundling tayo, bundling. Alright? Kung bundling ang pag-uusapan, guys, tandaan ninyo na di ba may 4 na products, may 2 major needs. Protection and accumulation. Ang problema, feeling ko si Starbright ngayon, yung mga advisors natin, nasanay na puro protection na lang pinag-uusapan. Number one, mababa ANP niyan, mababa rin commission mo, or may kikitain mo dahil mababa ng multiplier. Mataas commission, 40% yung ACP, 30 to 40% yung AMA. No, pero, ang baba ng preview. No? Pangalawa, ayaw pinag-uusapan niya ng kliyente. Sa totoo lang, kaya tayo nahihirapan magbenta sa AIA. Puro pa nananakot binibenta natin. No? Pag namatay ka, pag nagkasakit ka. I mean, it's so hard. It's so hard. I mean, kunyari kahit ako, let's say, ako yung kliyente, responsible ako, pero hindi ko pwedeng basta sabihin, hindi ko exciting ikwento sa kaibigan ko, so ang hina ng referrals na nakukuha nyo. Alright? So that's why, kaya ko ito ginawa itong training na to. Gusto ko ngayon ma-realize natin ulit na may protection important yun, pero gusto rin ng kliyente ng accumulation. I'm observing other companies, kaya sila lumipad, ulit, kahit bumagsak ng pandemic, accumulation pa rin binibenta nila. So, obserbahan natin yun. Dapat itaas natin yung belief ulit ng pag-iipon. Savings, hindi ko sinasabing investment lang. Huwag laging investment. Accumulation. Guys, you don't always need to talk about returns. Just talk about may naiipon ka. Kasi pag sa bangko mo nilagay yan, mauubos mo yung pera mo. That's how I sell VUL. I just ask my clients, magkano savings mo ngayon? Normal clients na VIP. Kaya magkano savings mo ngayon? 100,000. Ilang years ka na nag-work? 10 years. Alright, so that's perfect. Buti na lang, may kang savings. Hindi lahat ng kliyente ko may savings na kausap ko. So that's good. You're doing well than most. So I would make them feel good. Pero kumpitin natin, yung 100,000 in 10 years, tama, 10,000 a year. That's less than 1,000. Are you happy na nakakapag-save ka ng less than 1,000 a month? Less than 1,000 a month or 10,000 a year. Can be more, tama? The challenge is, and again, ganito rin ako. Meron tayong comfort level ng savings. Iba-iba, meron 20,000, may 100,000, 500,000, 1 million. Pag nahit na natin yun sa bank natin, sumobra, let's say na 100,000, we feel ang yaman na natin. We book the trip to this country, gagasutin natin, tama? Kasi meron tayong comfort zone ng money in the savings account. Alright? Now, let me help you. Itabi mo yung para hindi mo nakikita. Para hindi mo nakikita, ilagay mo sa AI. VUL man yan, A+ signature mo yan. Lagay mo dito sa akin. Let's say 50,000 a year. In 10 years, magkakaroon ka ng extra 500,000. You do your thing with your savings account. Now dito, meron ka, I don't talk about returns. Alright? You're a future builder. 50,000 a year, 10 years, meron ka 500,000 na na-save. Kahit mag-break even lang yung VUL mo, na-insure ka na for 10 years, meron ka pang savings ng 500,000. Do you like that? Pag okay na si Clyde, ito-post ko na yung savings. I don't talk about returns. That's how I sell VUL. I sell the program, not the investment. Not all people do this. Kaya wala akong kaaway na client. Wala akong problema ng client. Isa lang talaga yung client kong medyo malungkot. 2014 Health Invest, 2019, 5 years na pay, tapos na. Ang taas ng value niya. Nag-pandemic, tapos wala na siyang top out. Isa lang talaga. Yun lang, makalimutan. Hanggang hindi ko mabentahan. VIP client to. Unang-una kong VIP client. Right? Kung kaya man naman, I mean, pero it's lower than 2019. Right? Diba? So, yun na, siya lang malungkot. Right? But usually, no, again, sabi ko pala, again, tulungan natin ito, protection and all. So, if you sell the right way, hindi nyo kailangan mag-compute ng returns. Okay ba? Kasi unang-una, VUL, swerte ka na kapag nag-return eh. Tama ba? Diba? Based on experience. Swerte ka na pag in 10 years, kumita ng 50% or even 10, 20%. Right? So, ang binibenta ko break-even, sa totoo lang. When I sell break-even, like say, sa 10 years to pay, and they're sold to that, happy na yung mga clients nun. Kasi meron silang pera na magagamit in the future. Example, I have 2 abundance clients na nag-withdraw. Well, hindi galit sa akin. Bakit? Yung isa, nagamit niya for her business, na-reinvested. Buti na lang, sir, kumuha ako. So, kasi meron ako na-ipon. Ganun sa kwentuhan. Yung isa, nakuha niya for her jewelry resell. Nagbibenta-benta ngayon ng gold. Gold necklace. May naipundar niya doon. Wala, hindi galit. Alright? Kasi if you sell the right way, savings lang. Kahit ano pa maging savings na, kahit medyo lower than expected, happy yung kliyente. Alright? So ako, that's how I sell VUL. Alright? Again, kung health invest yan, critical yun sa pag-uusapan. Oo, di ba? Yung client mo, di ba? Yun, pag yun, ang sarap ibentahan nung kasi siya nagtingin ng return. Tinitignan niya lang, okay, kahit hindi kumita, ito yung pera ko, I'm good na with that. Okay, let's move to parents with young children. So pag parents with young children, feeling ko ACP para sa kanila, and of course, ACP per kid. Sobrang easy sell yung ACP per kids. Hindi ko maintindihan yung mga walang benta every month kasi ACP per kids is just 12,000 to 15,000 a year. Alright? So, easy sell 1,000 tapos may anak. Lahat ng may anak, gustong bilihan yung anak nila, di ba? Ganun. So, get that. Another thing, Max Protect. Siyempre, breadwinner, etc. Kailangan niya yan. Also, like I checked for Mason. Si Mason, 500,000 face amount, 1 million life insurance for 4,000, 4 years old, 7,000 something a year, pay up to age 65. Alright? Pag 10 pay lang, 21,000 a year. 21,000 a year,
1 million.
Coverage is 1 million.
100,000 lang mawala sa'yo. 95,000.
Yung
total, 5 years to pay.
And then hindi siya 5 years to pay. 10 years to pay. 10 years to pay yung 21,000. So 210,000 lang. 1 million ang coverage. Tama? Sarap ibenta.
You're buying an asset worth 1 million for a cost of 20%.
For 21%. Hulugan pa 10 years.
Alright? Gusto yun, hulugan na sa
ganun. So aralin nyo yung products natin ng ganda. No? So panoorin nyo yung mga videos. Panoorin nyo po yung videos ko sa YouTube. Yung ibang agency ginagamit nila, mas mataas na benta nila sa amin. Si Ardid doon, natatawa ako, no? Pinapanood niya doon sa mga tao niya, pang training, ganyan. No? Eh, mas marami silang Hong Kong qualifiers ngayon, 14 sila, 12 lang tayo, di ba? So guys, gising tayo. No? Gising tayo. Next, Future Scholar. Alright? Definitely, ang ganda ng Future Scholar. Kahapon may presentan ako, mas na-appreciate ko siya lalo. So kahapon may client kami, 84,000 a year yung budget din. So 7,000 a month. So present ako 80,000 plus 4,000 na payers term benefit. So 703,000 yung guaranteed benefit. Tapos 703,000 din yung term insurance ng parent. Diba? So meron ka ng may waiver premium na, may insurance pa yung parent. No? So yung insurance niya 4,000 a year lang, 700,000 yung coverage. Hanggang mag-age 18 yung anak niya, which is just 2 years old.
Tanggalin si term, ng guardian.
Pwede mo tanggalin.
Ganun din ang amount eh.
Tama. Pwede mo tanggalin yun, pwede mo ilagay lang. Alright. So ako nilagay ko lang. Alright. So para lang, hindi, bakit ko siya nilagay? Fixed premium. Naka-fixed premium siya. Yun. Tsaka anyway, budget niya is 84,000. Pasok naman. Ayoko nang huluhin. Ganon. So, 16 years eh, kasi
maganda yun,
16 years. Kasi, yeah. 70. Pay up to 70. Yun ang in-offer ko para malaki yung guaranteed benefit, malaki yung
ilang taon na yung bata?
2 years old.
2 years old up to 14 years yun.
15 or 16 years ang payment. Tama, 15 years. 16 years. Kasi 2 to 17. So yung 2 count pa siya as 1. Tapos
yung guaranteed niya is 700,000.
703,000 yung guaranteed. Insured ng 200,000 yung bata. 700,000 din yung insurance ng bata.
Yung non-guaranteed niya.
May VUL pa. No, natinig na namin at age 22, 964,000 at 4%. So okay din siya, yung Future Scholar. You check on that. Again, pag may young children, yan yung pwede nyo may offer. Kung ayaw, kung naliliitan sa returns ng Future Scholar, offer Future Builder. Alright? But the same lang, hindi, tsaka pareho ng 20,000 ang minimum yan. So, whatever. Pero again, guys, as much as you can, if you can offer pay up to age 70, you do that para longer. Alright? Tsaka mas mahaba yung pwedeng ma-wait. Ganon. Yun. Ang maganda lang kay Future Scholar kasi may 5 pay siya. Unlike si Future Builder, yung 20,000 niya, pay up to age 65 na. Yun. May schedule ng payout, etc. A+ signature, definitely. Alright? And then family provider. Again, kung gusto niya VUL, PANPRO bang ibibigay ko para siya yung insured, mas malaki insurance. Alright? So yun yung discarte ko dito. Kung titignan natin, pang protection, ACP and Max Pro, pag accumulation, yan. So pwedeng Future Builder, pwedeng Future Scholar, pwedeng A+.
Yun lang.
Go.
Bili ko ano kasi, Guardian yung gusto ko hanin. Guardian 65. Tapos, inano ko, pinag-try ko din sa Max Protect. Kasi iba yung Max Protect. May pay up to age 65.
Yeah.
Tapos, na ano siya, yung Max Protect.
Tama.
Kasi, 500,000 lang yung Max Protect. Iba tayong
Times 2.
yung Guardian, 1 million. So, mas mura pa yun si Max Protect.
Kasi up to age 100 ang cover.
Tapos, up to age 100.
Tama. Thank you, Dr. Jen.
Mas yung ano.
Yung
Max Protect.
mas maganda yung Max
Okay,
Protect.
si Max Protect.
Yeah,
Pero interested lang siya sa Guardian.
mako-convert nyo. May nabenta na rin ako na gano'n. Term insurance lang yung gusto. Yung isa sa mga samples ko, tapos Max Pro yung ino. So ito yung suggestion ko. Pag naghahanap ng term insurance, lalo na kung medyo bata, always show Max Protect up to age 65. Alright? Ikaw mismo ako convince ka, Max Pro ang best. Kasi kapag nag-Guardian 65 ka lang, hanggang 65 lang yung coverage, ito, pareho namang 65 ang bayaran, pareho namang fixed premium, hanggang 100 yung coverage, so ka lang ng konti. Alright? So, yun. Always show Max Protect up to age 65. Pag Guardian ang hinahanap. Alright? So, pag term insurance, lagi nyo nang papakita yung Max Pro. Alright? So, ito yung yan. Protection and accumulation. Wala kayong problem sa parents with young children kasi for sure, laging hinahanap niyan pang education. So, accumulation niya. Next, ito, married, no kids, or mga LGBT couples. So, technically, mga single, ganyan, walang dependent. So, for me, ito yung mga needs nila. ACP 100, AJCP para sa couple, AHIP, tsaka future builder. Ito naman ang itsura niyan. Alright? Protection, ACP and AJCP. Kung mag-iipon siya sa ginanga accumulation kasi wala namang anak. Alright? Pero yung active health invest, for me lagi, it's a hybrid. Ganun ko ipoposition si health invest. It's always protection and accumulation. Si health invest. Actually, more on protection pa nga. It's just that, ang maganda lang kasi rito, kung meron kang emergency, ayaw mo na ng coverage in the future, may mawithdraw ka. No? Yun lang yung maganda rito. No? So, just in case you need it. So, pwede rin siyang pang-accumulation. May mga ganun akong clients na education ang gusto, pero gusto rin ng critical illness, ito yung kinuha. And then when they needed the fund, they got yung AHIP. Alright? Okay, breadwinners. Kung breadwinner ka, for sure, heavy on protection ang kailangan. Pag breadwinner. So offer Max Protect, ACP 100, Med Assist, AHIP. Pwede rin. Yeah, pwede rin. Nilagay ko na lang siguro Max Protect. Kasi may Max Protect na. Yun. Kasi ang problema ko kay PAMSEC, pay up to age 100 siya talaga. Alright? So, kaya hindi ko siya mainly pipiliin ngayon. Alright? Magma-Max Pro na lang ako. Alright? So, family pro. May mga inumit akong products. So lang. Hindi ko masyadong pinunod. Alright? So, ganyan ko naman siya titignan. Yan. So, kung protection talaga, Max Pro. Kung accumulation talaga, breadwinner ka, A+. Kung gusto mo, medyo torn ka kung anong unahin. Alright, kung gusto mo may critical illness, health invest. Kung gusto mong life lang, pero may savings din, di mag-family provider ka. Alright? DJ, how about ACP 100? Okay din naman, kung gusto mo. No, pero sinasabi ko lang, breadwinner kasi to, so most likely kailangan mo ng life insurance. Hindi pwedeng ACP lang. Alright? Pwede, well, AIO kasi is already Max Protect. In fact, parang i-face out na yung, titingin ko parang i-face out na yung product na yan. No? Kung tutuusin, the only edge of AIO is kung gusto niya, kasing laki ng face amount ng life insurance o critical illness. Mag-AIO pa. Kasi hindi mo magagawa kay Max Protect yun. Pero yun naman ang edge ni Max Protect. Dahil pwedeng kalahati lang or lower yung critical illness, mas mura yung premium. So tinignan ko na rin siya. Yun lang yung only time na mag-AIO ako kung gusto ko, let's say 1 million ng life, 1 million din ng critical illness. Alright? Pero kung gusto ko lang, meron akong lahat. Pero ang priority ko, health, breadwinner ako, priority ko, life. I'm saying life talaga. Priority ko life. Doon ako sa malaki yung life. Tapos lower yung other riders. Kaya Max Pro talaga. Aralin nyo maigi si Max Pro. it actually overrides some of our other products like All-in-One and FAMSEC.
So yung A-plus signature, pwede mo i-position nila as purely insurance na siya.
Oo, kasi may A+ na siya eh. Kaya nga kaya nga ako, kung breadwinner ka, ito talaga yung tamang combination. Mag-ipon ka for your payout ng signature, tapos mag-Max Pro ka. Maybe Max Pro and Future Builder pwede rin. Ganon. So, pero yun yung feeling ko Max Protect supersedes ngayon, FAMSEC and All-in-One. Lalo na All-in-One.
Actually, simplified na. Halimbawa, nag-offer ka ng insurance na may kakayahan naman yung client. 5 years to pay lang na A+ signature. Sabi mo, sir, itong insurance na to, 5 years mo na mahulugan. Okay? Nabili mo na insurance times 2, the base amount, di ba? Wala ka na alalahanin, fully paid ka na. Pero hanggang nandiyan ka lang, may tinatanggap.
Maganda yun. Maganda ng positioning nila.
Para bang yung binayad na kung doon bumabalik sa iyaan. Tatagal ang buhay mo, then...
I like what you said. Tama. Maganda. Pwede nga rin estate planning.
Mas iba ito hindi. Kasi,
tama.
Tingnan mo, kahit yung cost ng insurance mo, di ba, bumili ka, I was to take 5 million a year yung premium, pero 48 million yung coverage. 5 times 5, 25 million, pero 48 million ba yung coverage? Tipid ka pa rin.
Yeah.
You're buying, again, an asset worth 48 million for a cost of 40%. Tulugan. That's may balik pa, unti-unti. Para simplify, walang drama gaano. Sabi mo, lang, bayaran 5 years, pero unti-unti may matatanggap ka, pero fully paid insurance mo. For how long you will stay in this world, lucky for you, may matatanggap ka.
Ang ganda ng point niya. Marinig nyo to ulit-ulit, mas mapipick up nyo siya. Na-gets ko siya ngayon. Pangalawang beses ko na-highlight.
Wala na okay, may ganyan. Wala lang guys.
Kasi itong client na ito na binabanggit niya, ang purpose ito, ipamana talaga yung pera. Magpa-insure na lang siya. Now, since gusto mo rin naman magpa-insure ka na lang, kung buhay ka pa after 5 years, withdrawin mo yung pera. Habang buhay ka, may nakukuha ka every 2 years. Pero ang purpose niya talaga, magpamana. So, So, yun yung point niya. Kaya bentahan mo na ng 5 years, insurance ang ibenta mo sa A+, bonus lang yung payout. So, ibang atake ng A+, which is I like. Ang ganda ng point niya na yun. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung ano na yun.
Maiksi lang na usapan niya.
Ngayon ko lang nakita yung angle na yun.
Lagi yung isip ko, Chinese ito, gusto niya nakakatipid. Sir, 48 million yung asset, babayaran ng 40%, 60% discount ka. Pero hulugan pa for 5 years. Pag na-fully paid, nandiyan ka pa, itatanggapin ka pa. So hindi lang 40%, hindi lang 60% na discount mo.
Pero tama si Karen na pang mas bata lang. Kasi pag matanda na yata, parang ang cash out mo is almost the same ng insurance.
Hindi mo nakahabulin yun eh. Bonus ka na lang talaga yun eh.
Hindi kaya nga. Hindi, almost the same. Minsan nga lugi eh. Hindi yung sinasabi ko yung premium. Depende sa age eh. May age kasi na, let's say, 5 million ng 2.5 million face amount, 5 million ng insurance, 1 million ng premium sa 5 million. So parang balik lang. Merong ibang alugi pa eh. So depende sa age. Depende sa age. Alright?
Parang if they can afford it, I always start with that. Kasi ang daming riders that you cannot get older.
Yeah.
Magpatanda na din.
Tama.
Parang kunwari na sa late 30s sila, tas first sila. Madali na lang kasi mag-add ng Capro. Madali lang yun. Pero para ilagay lahat ng riders.
Tama.
DHI, ang daming edtech.
Yeah.
Kasi pag ganun, tas 5-day done na sila. Pero tama na lang.
Para kasi 65 na.
Tama.
Kasi pwede lang.
That's why I put it there. This is a very attractive product. Nakakalimutan natin, guys. Yeah. Kaya lagi ko siyang sinasama ulit. Tama yan. Thank you for that, Karen. Thank you for that, bro. So, yung ahip, huwag natin kalimutan. Ang nakakabenta na lang yung mga mga matagal ng advisors. Yung mga bago, guys, nakakalimutan natin. Yeah. Ang sarap ibenta nito. Kasi again, shorter pay. Even the 7 pay. 7 years lang siya. Tapos na agad. Alright? So, covered na ka na kagad up to age 75 for critical illness, 72 for accident, etc. Basta, hindi siya investment. Alright? Coverage pa rin, protection pa rin. Ganun pa rin dapat. Next, near retirees. Pag near retirees naman, naman yung A+ signature, Money Tree, GDITF, Future Protect, and then Max Protect. So yan yung, dyan na lalabas yung Money Tree kaya diniscuss muna natin kanina. Malapit na tayo mag-12, patapos na rin ako. Ayan, so kung protection, pamana, Max Pro, pero karamihan dyan sa pag ni-retiree, Dahil tumanda na rin sila malamang, tatagal na rin yung buhay nila. Ang pinag-uusapan na dito ngayon, yung retirement nila. So ano yung perang matatanggap? Alright? So money tree, future protect, A+ signature. Alright? Ayan na yung usapan nyo dyan, accumulation na. More on money at work, pera na ipapagdulungin natin. Kasi hindi na masyadong pa-retire na nga eh. So hindi na masyadong yung income ko ganito, kailangan mapalitan. Malamang yung mga anak nito nag-work na rin. Diba? So hindi na sila mag-worry na baka hindi makatapos sa school, etc. So more on accumulation kapag near retirees. Alright? And then, grandparents for legacy. Pag grandparents for legacy, ganun din halos. A+ signature, future scholar para sa mga grandkids, monetary, and then ACP for kids. So ganun din, they don't care much about their own insurance. In fact, baka hindi nila kailangan. Kasi nga, may mga apo na sila, yung mga anak nila nagkatrabaho na rin. Maybe estate planning, yes, you can do that. Ibang usapan yon. Alright? So lagyan natin dyan, max protect din. No? Kung ano man, or family provider, what they wanna do. But usually, madali silang entry point, yung anak, yung apo. ACP for kids. A+ signature. Alright? Monetary. Future scholar. Pang-apo talaga lahat. Ganun, yun ang purpose natin dito. Alright? For the grandparents. Yung investors naman, kunyari ito naman, mahilig mag-invest. Yung hawakan niya sarili niyang pera. Ganon. Ito yung mga products. Monetary, Future Builder, A+ signature, and then ACP. Ang protection lang mainly, kunyari very aggressive yung tao, mainly ang protection lang napapansinin niya is ACP. Maybe AMA. Alright? Kasi kailangan niya rin ng ganon. And then A+ signature, yan ang mapag-uusapan niya talaga. Monetary, Future Builder. Talagang more on accumulation ang benta natin sa mga investors. So, alam mo mas magaling ka mag-invest sa'yo. Ganon, di ba? Yun. So, and lastly, business owners. Kung business owners, ito naman yung mga products na pwede. Max Protect, A+, of course. ACP, lahat kailangan ng ACP sa totoo lang. Monetary, no? AMA, kasi baka wala silang health card. And then group insurance. Pag business owner, pasukin mo rin ng group insurance. Di ba? Pwedeng Medicard, HealthLink, or whatever. So yan naman, more on protection. Kasi, bakit protection? Pag negosyante yan, malamang mas malakas kumita sa'yo ng pera. Sabihin niya sa'yo, mas magaling ako maghawak ng pera sa'yo. Hindi naman more on investment na pag-uusapan nyo. Diba? More on yung kaya nating i-offer na hindi makukuha sa iba. No? Kaya ACP talaga, AMA talaga, Max Pro talaga. Group insurance, HMO. Yung VIP clients ko, na-penetrate ko sila, HMO muna, HealthLink. Yun, bago ko nabentahan ng Health Invest. Alright? And then, of course, yung A+ signature, hindi niya makukuha sa iba yan. Guaranteed. And then, the new monetary, may mga dividends tayo. So, magugustuhan niya rin. Alright? So, just to have a snapshot, ayan po yung summary. Ayan po yung summary natin. Isisend ko na rin sa inyo yan, pero yan that's how we summarize it. By the way, shout out to JC dating Ginoo, pinagtulungan namin itong gawin. No, pinalish ko na lang, dinagdagan ko na lang, like yung grandparents. Idea niya to actually, kung paano i-train daw yung mga rookies. Sabi ko, hindi lang to pang rookies. Nung bago daw siya, may mga recruit daw siya, nilatag niya kung anong products for a certain prospect time. Sabi ko, sige, good idea yan. Nung nag-meeting kami, ginawa namin, tapos tinapos ko na lang yung slides. Alright? So, this is it. Ayan. Sana may mic. Sorry. Ayan. Pero hopefully itong recording marinig nyo rin. No? Ayan ba nandiyan si JC, no? Ayan. So, any questions? Any questions or any realizations?